In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Wix website to PDF. This is a quick, reliable way to create a clean PDF of your site directly from your browser, perfect for sharing drafts, sending proposals, or keeping records. First, open your site in the Wix editor and click Preview. Preview mode shows your page exactly as visitors will see it, without the editor's toolbars or grids. Before moving on, navigate to the specific page you want to capture and let all content load fully. Images, fonts, and any sections that animate on scroll. If your page is long, scroll through it once, so deferred elements render properly in the preview. Next, press the right click on your mouse anywhere on the page background. Try to right click on an empty area rather than on a gallery button or embedded app to make sure you get the browser's standard context menu. This context menu is what gives you access to the print option you'll use to generate the PDF. Now, click Print. Your browser's print preview window will open. This view shows how your web page will break across PDF pages. Take a moment to look at the preview pane so you know what will be included and where the page breaks occur. If something looks off, you can go back to Preview, adjust spacing, or collapse sections, and open Print again. In the destination setting, make sure it is Save as PDF. If you see a physical printer selected, open the printer dropdown and switch it to Save as PDF. While you're here, consider a few helpful options to improve the output. Choose portrait or landscape based on your layout. If parts of your design are being cut off, reduce the scale slightly so wider sections fit comfortably. If your brand colors or backgrounds aren't showing, enable background graphics so the PDF matches your site's look. You can also pick which pages to include if the print dialog detects multiple printable pages, and adjust margins to create breathing room for headers and footers. Finally, click Save. Your browser will prompt you to name the file and choose the location on your computer. Use a clear, descriptive file name and save it somewhere you can easily find it. Once saved, open the PDF to confirm everything looks right. If you need a PDF for another page on your site, repeat the same process from Preview for each page and save separate files. That's it. By using Preview, right-clicking to open the print dialog, selecting Save as PDF and saving, you'll get a polished, shareable version of your Wix page in just a few moments.